Hello everyone, welcome back again to one more video, and today I bring you the FW Triebflugel. It's with boarding leather. Okay, this is the one of new kits from Miniart. I'm sorry the box it's like this because this is a big one, and they have this fantastic box art, and it's in up way, so you can see some of this. Sorry, I like this. And we got here, so this is 1/35 scale, and the model comes with one model, Voto jet aircraft, PA parts are included, and six Decals options. Okay, the number of these you can see right there. Yeah, let's open the box and you can see what we have inside. So this is What If series, so this is not a model then comes. So you can see here some of what we can do, but it's better to see on paper. So let's crack this one, and yeah, a lot of sprues right there. So I'm going to put this aside and start showing what you can expect with this. So we got here the decal shields, and we have 6 different ways to make this one. And yeah, these decals are very thin, so it goes very nice. We got one versions, I like it a lot. Now we got here the instructions, as you can see. So you can do this with open or close. The gun bay can be open or closed. Okay, the boarding leather included, clear parts, photo etch, and decal sheets for 6 variations. I think this build it's very easy, so it's not difficult. Here we got 2 different schematics to do. It's the Puma in Hungary 1946, and this one it's a Squadron Air Defense refineries in Plosti, Romania 1946. These ones are very nice, I like it. So if you want, you just buy more than one and make different versions. Here you can see the sprues. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and someone like these are doubles, okay, for each side. We got here the color charts for painting this one. It came with Vallejo, Mr. Color, Life Color, Timia, AK, Mission Models, Ataca, and Hemo Mick Jimenez. If you are using different, you got here the reference of the name of the colors, so you can go what you feel to do. So on the instructions, we got here the first step. It's starting on the cockpit like a normal airplane. The photo etch parts, I can tell you, it's the seat belt, so it's really awesome. We got a nice details on these machine guns, and the steps are first the cockpit. Now we got here working on the nose, and so far it's easy. More work, start making the wings, the reactors, jets, I don't know, this is a what if, so must know these motors. We got here the landing gears for the wheels, and the bottom of this model, and you can see here how it goes. Really nice, really nice. And you can see the rivets here, it's what we got on the panels of this model, so they are really good. And finally we got here the leather. It comes here, so it's good for the pilot, so you can go and put this on diorama. Really nice. We got here more 2 different. Okay, this is one, it's for Africa, Central Africa in 1946, and this one it's very beautiful. Air Defense Battery, Antarctic Expedition, 1946. Okay, so remember, this is a what if. We got here the Japanese version, and this one, it's what I'm going to do, this one, so you are going to see this on my videos making this. Maybe I will catch another model of this to make this. This is Hydra. Okay, if you know the series of one series they can have on TV, Hydra, it's really awesome, this one, and it's in the a really great thing, so you can do a nice weathering. But this is what I'm going to do because it's Japanese, and it is what we got on the box art. So let's grab some sprues. Okay, we got here some equal sprues, and we are starting with the wings. Alright, I'm going to put this here, and you can see they are really nice, the details, all the rivets, all the panel lines. Let me see, yeah, they are deep. So the fit, I really don't know how it's going to be, but normally the fit, it's really nice. We got here some pins for guidance of making the motor right here. So yeah, this is going to be, so 3 sprues of these. We got more sprues, more 2 equal sprues of this. We got here some wheels. I think this is for the leather, and you can see here too, the details are really nice. Yep, and guys, see there, it's really beautiful. We got here 1 sprue for the nose. Yeah, you can see some parts are open, and look at these details, fantastic. So for the weathering, it's good, really good. Here more sprues, 3 equal sprues, these ones for the leather. Now more 2 equal sprues, this is for the machine gun. And look one more time for the details. I like it. More. We got here 2 equal sprues again. This is for the side wings. Wheels, and you can see right here how it goes, or the details, really nice. We got here the foot pedals, and yeah, we got here the sprue for the cockpit, and you have nice details too. You can see if you want to leave open, you can see the level of detail, it's really nice too. One good thing on this kit, it's the nose, it's 1 piece, so it's not 2 pieces, and it's going well on the top, really well. And we got this big one right here with the bottom. We got here the chair, it's have really nice details. We got here the dashboard, and let me show you, yeah, details. This is the most important thing for me in the model. And we got here, whoops, let me see if we focus, yeah, we got here the clear parts. So yep, I really like this one. This is going to give me a really good job, I think. For me, it's always a good job. We got here with a protective case, the seat belts. Whoops. Nice ones. So, as you can see, it's a really nice kit to build. So let's put this right here. Again, carefully for not damage anything, because I want to grab all the details we got here on this model. I really like this. You know, guys, what this is if you want to make the model like this, but I'm going to the Japanese version. I like it. So here it is, and again closing the box. So wait for the building. I'm going to make the video building and all the weathering and all the painting work on this, and I'm going to make the box art. Okay, right? So guys, if you have any questions, just ask me and I will try to tell you. This is a what if, so we don't have too much information, and Miniart guys are making these what ifs and they are fantastic and I like it a lot. So anything, just say it. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to receive all my videos. Okay, bye guys.